So welcome back to another series of This Cryptocurrency Has Been Booming, and in this video we're going to be talking about another cryptocurrency that has been absolutely blasting recently. Even in the past day or in the past 7 days, it has been seeing crazy new numbers breaking the charts, and we're just going to be talking about another cryptocurrency like that. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button. Drop a comment down below on what you think about these videos, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we are now over at our screen, and if we go back to the default list, we are basically on the home page of CoinMarketCap.com looking at the default list of cryptocurrencies. But if we filter by the most moved cryptocurrency in the past 24 hours, we can see this cryptocurrency on top. It's called Gala or Gala. So I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but this cryptocurrency is on number one on most moved. And if we look at the price right now, it is almost at around 8 cents. So it is at around 0.07943 at on coinmarket.com. So very close to 8 cents right now. And if we look at its percentages movements, we can see in the past hour it has moved up 0.5%. In the past 24 hours it is up by almost 40%. And if we look at the 7-day, it is up by 76.26%. Absolutely crazy numbers that we have been seeing in this cryptocurrency. So let's click on it and let's analyze more about what's going on with this cryptocurrency right now. So if we look at our daily movements, we can already see we already discussed the price and our daily movement of around 39%. If we look at the market cap, it's at around $2.3 billion. So a very high number for a small cryptocurrency. $2.3 billion. It is also up around 40% in the past 24 hours. And our volume is at around $1.6 billion, up almost around 172% from yesterday. So this means that when the volume is less than the market cap, this means that it is not just a hype coin. It could be also a long-term coin that we can hold on to, because if we look at the market cap, it is a big market cap, and this signals us that this coin has bigger potential and it could go to even higher numbers. So this is what basically low volume and high market cap tells us. And if the volume was higher than the market cap, that means this is a hype coin. It would just pump up once and then later on it will just die out. But this coin could have more potential in the near future of Gala. So if we take a look at the daily graph now, we can see that 24 hours ago we were at around 0.057. So this is we were at around 5 cents, and throughout the whole day we continued to climb and climb, and we hit our high of around 0.085. So almost 8.5 cents that we hit right here in the top. We have settled down a little bit. We are just below 8 cents, but we are still in the high range for today, still up around 39%. And if we look at the 7-day graph for now, we can see we are up around 75% in the past 7 days. 7 days ago we were at 4 cents, 4.5 cents, and throughout the whole week we did go down to almost around 0.37. So almost 3.5 cents we did go down to, but then we continued to climb back up. We saw our potential, and it was pretty flat in the beginning of the week, but as we got to the 9th, so which was yesterday, we started climbing up and we started seeing the price go up and up, and we are now at the price what we are now. And if we look at the past month, absolutely crazy, 228% boom, so almost 2.5x. In the beginning of the month it was at around 2.5 cents, and throughout the whole month we have seen absolutely crazy potential. Year wasn't looking very great, but still absolutely up. And this seems to be a very old cryptocurrency, around September of 2020. So it seems to be not a new cryptocurrency. It has seen crazy high days. It has seen numbers all the way up to around 83 cents. So we are down from that huge range, but we are still up from the starting point 5,000%, but still seeing crazy numbers for this cryptocurrency. Absolutely booming recently. And do make sure, if we look at the right side, we can see that there are more news articles about what's happening with this cryptocurrency. Basically, what's going on, if this coin is reliable, or if it's going up once more. We can see more news articles. You can read these on the right panel of CoinMarket.com. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did talk about Gala. It is a fairly pumping cryptocurrency in the past times, in the past day, in the past week. In the past week, we have seen around 75% increase in its price, and in the month, almost around 250%. So almost these numbers are absolutely crazy as they continue to boom as we go on. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily crypto live streams I do on this channel, talking about any recent crypto changes that are happening in the market right now, and basically everything going on. So do make sure to check out my daily crypto live stream. And also don't forget to check out my long form content like this, where I tell you about new booming cryptocurrencies or any patterns forming in coins. So do make sure to check out my long form content like this as well. So that was about it. If you did enjoy, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.